Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to do the cherry blossom iced tea dance, easy method. We'll begin by finding your center and swaying gently, like a cherry tree in a soft breeze. Next, take small, light steps from side to side, maintaining a fluid motion. Then, extend your arms gracefully, imagining them as branches reaching towards the sun. This sets the foundation for our beautiful dance. Now, let's add some signature elements. Imagine cherry blossom petals falling around you. Gently bring your hands down in a soft, flowing motion, like a petal drop. Then, with a delicate touch, bring one hand up as if you're taking a sip of iced tea, perhaps from a small, elegant cup. Integrate these two new movements smoothly with your foundational swaying and stepping, creating a continuous, graceful flow. For our third step, we'll introduce the gentle blossom spin. Begin a slow, controlled turn, either a half turn or a full rotation, depending on your comfort. Keep your arms extended outwards, maintaining your balance and grace throughout the movement. As you complete the spin, gently return to face forward, ready to continue with the flowing motions. This adds a beautiful, dynamic element to your dance. Finally, let's combine all the elements we've learned into one seamless sequence. Practice transitioning smoothly from the gentle sway to the petal drops, the tea sips, and the blossom spin. Focus on maintaining a continuous, fluid motion, allowing each movement to flow effortlessly into the next. Remember to express the serene and elegant theme of the cherry blossom iced tea dance. Enjoy your beautiful performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.